Heyo, this is Whiskey Tango 586, and what I've got for you today is and I hope I'm saying this correctly, a Rav-Bariach dimple padlock. I got this lock in the mail today from Israel. The stamping and packaging are in the original Hebrew, so I can't tell too much about it, other than the fact that it's apparently a 2-star security device, whatever that means. Take a look at the key here. Nothing real special. Looks like a 5-pinner with the pins pretty close together. Whole shackle pops out, kind of cool. Might be good as a bike lock or something, I don't know. That's it, so let's grip this up and try to pick it open. And I'm just going to tension with the pry bar over here. Pretty open keyway. And feels like there's a couple spools in here, so I'm just going to start with a big black flag pick and pick against the direction I am tensioning so that I can feel the counter rotation when it hits. Little rotation on 2 there, so it might be in a false set here. 4 set pretty high, and it's giving me some counter rotation. Not really braced on anything here with my pick, so it's a little bit awkward. Hey. Oh, and I dropped my pins. Let's try that again. Little something on 1, little something on 2. Again, counter rotation on 4. Yeah, it might have slipped off, but it might have been set. This is a good lock for what I call the speed bump technique, and what that is, well, not that I came up with it, but what that is, some locks, some dimples especially for me, it seems to be, if you just kind of move the pick up and down, you can see the pins, or feel rather, the pins that are sitting high, and that's usually going to be your next binder. In fact, I think that was a spool on 5. Looks like 1 might be a spool. Oh, and then I lost my false set there. Oh, I think I dropped all my pins, so yeah, let's try this from the other side of the keyway maybe and see if we can get a couple of these other pins out of the way. Get a false set going or something. Same thing. 1 is definitely a set. Is that 4 or 5 is set? Won't really, oh, a little something on, I think that was 5. Won't really feel much counter rotation when you're rotating your pick the same way you're rotating the tension wrench, because they kind of cancel each other out. So I'm going to go back to picking counterclockwise, as it were. See if I can feel anything here. Oh, I touched 2 and I got a little more movement. Definitely a spool here. Again, I think that's 4. I just can't keep it on that pick, or pin rather. Oh, okay. A little movement. I think that was 5. If I used a little bit bigger wrench, I could set my pick on it, but let's see what I can do here. Same pin 4. That keeps dropping everything on me. Oh, maybe not. There we go. We're open. Shackles out. So, I'm just going to leave the shackle off. I'm going to lock this lock back up. And let's take it out, see if we can gut it. Now, this is kind of an interesting lock to gut, because it's actually a Euro in a big steel body. So first, let's get a little Allen grub screw on the side here. Obviously, that's not going to allow this piece out when the shackle's in, but now that the shackle's gone and the lock's locked back up, I take off this kind of armor plate here, and I've got a little kind of a brick with a Euro in it, and an actuator, and 3 ball bearings actually, for some reason. I think I have to unlock this out of here to get it past the actuator. There we go. Okay. So there's that. I managed to leave the actuator in. I'm not sure if you can see it there, but if I were to pull that out, looks like there's 2 ball bearings on one side, probably to reach the shackle hole, and 1 on the other, probably to get past that little extended piece of the Bible going in there. So I'm just going to leave that as is, because those bearings are really a pain to get back out of there. I'm going to lock the lock back up, and then I don't see a C-clip on here. Let's see if it's just locked in place, maybe. No, it doesn't pull out. Got a very limited turn of the cord there. Yeah, there's no screws, there's no C-clip, there's nothing. Looks like, well, let's see what we can see. Looks like we've got 6 chambers there. Again, I'm only counting 5 pins on this key. Got a little tailpiece for that actuator. Get a nice close-up of the keyway. And, well, I guess that's all I can show you. That's it for the 2-star Rav-Bariach. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.